So since I released Eguya guy, it's as if my actual spirit funeral guy. Like people have not been any money guy. People will want go afar. Nobody want go afar. Any people go ask me, then they no go. The people where we supposed to do rituals for just stay suspended. You know what I'm saying? Things just like money no one come inside. It can't be as if my actual wife in a room, which is like you have to be careful about the energy you put into the environment, because these spirits now released an energy into the environment, and for some reason, obviously I don't already talk about the part say if I play Eguya, if I hear Eguya once in a day, I ain't seeing shit. My spirit is completely depressed. I'm not going to see my other worldly, the dream state. I won't see it, guys. It's gone for that night. So we guys stay careful of the energy they put out into the environment, into this world. So I'm finna be making a song about my mom being around, because she did. My mom no funeral room. You know what I'm saying? Might have fumbled one iteration of her, but she did, the spirit did. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, be careful of the energy you put into the environment. Be careful of what you speak, because now speaking, guy, now speaking be the power. Now, ile kiboje okubi oku, ile dibia, ile onwato. You know what I'm saying? So I guys be careful of the shit what I say. And people where they fuck with me, people where they try me, they careful, man. No tell you some shit from my soul. I should not even go there at all, right? I'm finna delete that shit. What else? So yeah, anticipate music about good things happening, good vibes, energies, prosperity, birth, connections. Go stream Holy Ezumezu and forget that I released Eguya guy. Nobody should play Eguya again. My voice should not even be sounding in the airwaves singing that shit, guy.